What's up, gentlemen? My name is Ahmed Hassan and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I make videos like this each and every week about men's health, men's fashion, men's style, whatever it is to boost your confidence and make you feel amazing. If you like this video, please don't forget to smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and please consider checking my content out. And if you like it, please consider subscribing so that you will not miss any video that I make in the future. Today I want to talk with you guys about, or I want to give you guys 7 tips, powerful tips that will change your life. Gentlemen, so the number 1 tip I want to give you today is always stop expecting things to happen the way that you like. Stop expecting things to happen how they should. Stop expecting good things to happen for no reason, or bad things to happen for no reason as well. Stop expecting, because when you expect something and it doesn't go the way you thought it would go, this will actually make you frustrated, and it will give you like a negative feeling that you don't want to have. Let's say, for example, you are expecting a new job or you are expecting a raise, and somehow your boss decided to give this raise to someone else, even though you are the better fit for this job and you know it yourself in your soul, but because you are expecting it, you will feel like negative, you will feel like not good, you will think, oh my god, my boss doesn't like me. This expectation will always give us frustration. I know this sounds and rhymes together, but it's true, because if you are because when you expect something to happen, you plan it in your head, you vision it, you give it a vision in your head, and somehow it doesn't happen, and this vision and this dream of yours come falling down. This is why expecting is not good. What you should do instead, have positive affirmation. Like, always talk to yourself positively. Always think that things would work out, even though you didn't get, for example, this raise, or everything would be all right. You should try and plan your life and your career. That's good, that's awesome, but stop expecting, for example, like to be a millionaire when you are 30 years old, because nobody knows what will happen until you are 30 years old, or what will happen a day from now, right? So when you expect things to go some direction and they go another direction, it's always frustrating. Always be neutral. Like, don't think about your future, plan everything, but try to have always like I don't want to say like plan B or something, but I want to say like, yeah, plan everything, but if they don't happen the way you want, it's okay, try again, maybe you will reach your goal someday, right? Don't give up. This one I can tell you always, because it's fun. I don't know if anybody will reach, if not giving up will make you reach your goal, but it's always fun to chase something, right? The fun is in the chase. So this was my number 1 tip to you. Stop expecting things to happen the way you want actually. The second tip I want to talk with you guys about is money. I know people say it's bad to love money, or money is not good, and money is not everything. But if you think about it this way, money can give you time, right? Money can give you a vacation, money can give you a time out with your family, with your friends. Money can give you time to think about your future. Money can give you time to have fun, right? Money can give you food, rent, electricity. So it can help you a lot. So money is important. I know money itself is an illusion. It's physically nothing. It's just some paper, but it has some value that it could bring. Another thing is, money is not everything. This is actually 90% true, because everything you can solve with money, or 90% of the things you can solve with money. There's always like this 10% of things, like bad health, or somebody dies, or a problem happens that you cannot solve with money, right? So money definitely it's not everything, this is completely true, but money can solve 90% of the problems that someone may have, right? So money is not everything, this one is true, but it's very important. And money is not wealth. I mean, you can be rich with other things if you have time somehow. If you manage to have time and a good quality of life without money, this is amazing. If you have good health, if you have a good family, so these things are wealth. These things are more important than having money, right? This is why people actually are chasing money to have these things. So my tip to you is, yes, think about money. Yes, make as much money as you can, because you will need it, your family you will need it, your friends will need it. And if you want to help yourself, to help someone, to help your family, you will need money, definitely. Gentlemen, this one we hear a lot, but somehow we tend to forget it. Try to enjoy the little things in life, right? If the weather is good and the sun is shiny, for example, try to use this as an opportunity to have a good day. Go, for example, swimming, meet some friends, meet some people, go for a drink, go for a run, or play some sports. It's always amazing when you use your time to have some fun and to enjoy life, because this is very important, guys. Like, we somehow tend to forget, like, life is not only our work, right? Like, for me myself, sometimes I forget everything. I just think about work and career and making money and advance in my life, but I forget that I have already a good life. I have everything I need, and I should enjoy what I have right now as well, right? So this is my tip to you. Try to enjoy what you have now, because you know you deserve it, man. You just achieved so much, you worked so hard to have what you have right now. Just enjoy it, enjoy your time, make time for yourself, for your family, and enjoy every moment that you can, because you deserve it and you are amazing. Gentlemen, if you are liking this video so far, please don't forget to smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Another tip I want to give you today is focus on what really makes a difference. There is something called the 80-20 rule. This rule goes like this: 20% of the stuff that you do will make or will achieve 80% of your goals or your dreams or whatever it is you want to achieve. And the other 80% are just donkey work that needed to be done, but it's not as important. So prioritize the 20%, the core, the most important task that you need to do to advance in your life, to reach your goal faster, to advance in your plan, and try to delegate or postpone the other 80% of the work that you need to do, right? So they always say 20%, 80% rule. Read about it, it's amazing. It's very nice concept, and if you read about it, the earlier the better. Gentlemen, this one is very important, is take care of your thoughts. And by that I mean, like, you know, when you sit with yourself at the midnight and you say, oh my God, I didn't achieve anything this year. Oh my God, I'm losing control of my life. I'm gaining weight. I'm starting to look bad. These kind of thoughts are very toxic. Instead, try to think positively. Try to have a positive affirmation. Positive affirmation means that you talk yourself, your inner person that talk to you positively. Because there are some other dude in our brains that are talking to us the whole time, right? And this dude, if he starts to talk negatively, we will just get a bad feeling and a negative feeling, and we will lose, like, we start to get like very negative feelings that we don't need to have, right? Instead, try to replace those thoughts with positive ones, and this will help you and give you positive energy to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. and it will give you the energy to smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Gentlemen, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you like it, you know what to do. Smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you will not miss any video that I make in the future. See you guys next time. You guys are amazing. I love you, and have a good day.